I paid you 65,000 naira for a job I invested all my life savings into, only for you to come back with stories I never asked for. Now I want my 500,000 naira project cost back. Just for a second, please don't forget to like this video, and if you are seeing my video for the first time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you get notified of another case. Now the funniest twist here is that the evidence has vanished, just like the project itself, as all of this unfold before Judge Funmi Ashaolu. Let's sit back and see the fate of the accuser and the accused.
Esther James Oshiome.
Yes, Your Honor.
You are suing the defendants, Wakatu Chimarike.
Yes, Your Honor.
Alexander.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah. You are suing him for the sum of 458,000 naira.
Yes, Your Honor.
Being money expended on the project, your
Yes,
project of filmmaking,
Yes, Your Honor.
and another sum of 65,000 naira
Yes, Your Honor.
that you paid him
Yeah.
for his services.
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you tell me when you met him?
I mean,
How long ago was that?
This year, February.
February this year?
Yeah.
All right.
My boyfriend introduced me to him. He's an editor. I make a movie. It's a short movie. It's my first
You make
project.
movies?
Yeah.
How long have you been making movies?
I've been in the industry like 4
Pardon?
years. 4 years. In
For
the
about 4
industry.
years now.
Yeah. I help people like I assist.
Is your boyfriend in the same line of business with you?
No.
All right then. So he introduced the defendant to you
Yeah.
as what?
As an editor, I make a film. This is my first movie that I make on my own. It's a short movie. I make that movie like February, and I was looking for an editor, good one, which my boyfriend introduced me to, Mr. Rocky.
Okay.
And I hand over my flash drive to him.
Wait, he introduced you to Mr. Rocky.
Yeah.
You needed his services
Yeah.
as what?
As an editor.
He's a film editor.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Okay, all right then.
So I gave him my flash drive and the sum of 65,000 naira, because when I called him, he charged me 85,000 naira, which I told him I will pay him 65,000 naira for the project.
So what service did you pay for?
Just for him to edit my movie. And
Only?
yes, to
All
return
right.
it back to me.
Okay.
Yeah. After some days, I was calling him. His number was not going. Like 5 days after, I reached him. I said, what's up? He started telling me story that he was coming from somewhere. I don't really know, that they stole his bag. I said, like how?
Was that 5 days after you handed it over to him?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And I asked him, how far is my job going? Hope you are doing it well. He said, please, he have something to tell me. I said, what is that? Shouldn't be angry that he lost his bag, that they robbed him when he was going home. I said, for like 5 days now, you have not called me. Nothing.
Did he tell you that the flash was in the bag that was stolen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, he said everything, both his laptop, everything was inside the bag.
So what happened thereafter?
So I told him, this is my first contract with you. You cannot just come and take my thing and the next 5 minutes and you tell me that the thing is gone. I will not take it. Ever since then, we have been dragging it, which my friend talked to me. I wanted to go and arrest him before. So my friend begged me. He said he don't want me to arrest Mr. Rocky.
The person that introduced you to him
Yes.
is the one that begged you
Yes.
to step down.
Yes. Which I told my friend, this is my first movie. I don't want anything like this to happen to it. She started begging me that I don't want anything because it's the one who introduced me to Mr. Rocky. Because I don't want anything that happened to me first, because I was not like this. My shop burnt down. I lost everything. So I will not bear the pain again to lose this one. So ever since then, I'm begging this man to give him back my movie, all my money that I used to make the movie. Like, after 1 month, he called me. He said he have some money for me. I said, how much is that? He said 15,000. I said, 15,000? How? So you want to break the money for me, and you are telling me that you will pay me, you will pay me. Every time, sometimes if I call himself, he will not pick my call, he will reject my call. So ever since that time, I've been having that issue in my mind. Like, I want to go and arrest him. My friend keep on insisting that he don't want me to arrest him.
You have to calm down. Just a minute. Mr. Rocky, why are you having full face cap? Will you remove it? You have to know how to conduct yourself in the courtroom. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Especially in my courtroom. About how much did you expend on the whole project?
Like, it's close to 400,000 to 500,000 because I paid instruments, like director.
You spent between 400,000 to 500,000.
Yes, with my calculation.
For the production, everything.
Yes,
not a penny outside.
No.
No goodwill job from anywhere.
It's just 5 days job.
From my little understanding and experience on film production,
Yeah.
I believe it usually is more expensive than that.
Yeah. A short movie is different.
Can you explain what short movie is like? The difference
It's
between
series.
the short movie and the regular one?
It's series.
Okay.
So series is different.
Yours is series anyway.
Yes.
So explain the way yours is made that makes it to be far cheaper.
Okay. Because I work with my director, like assistant director with him. So, which I tell him I want to make a short movie, just like 5 days, five days program. He said, he gave me the he calculate everything.
He gave you an estimate?
Yeah, estimate.
Of about how much?
Like 650. But I begged him, I don't have much. This is my first work. I should take that money for me, like 400,000. The instruments and the actors and.
So you now agreed on how much?
He agreed about everything, like
I don't want like. I want the exact amount.
I give you 420 cash.
You have proof of that?
Yeah.
Let me have a look at it. What I have here is just
There is
picture
a
of
video
you changing money.
Yeah, the money that I spent for the program. There is a video there for the movie shoot.
Let me see. Pictures of
The actors and my director.
No, this is not what I'm asking for. Let me explain to you. You don't seem to understand what I'm trying to obtain from you. I want evidence that you spent that particular amount of money on the movie. Do you understand? You are claiming for that sum of money. You claimed to have spent that money on the project. So you need to prove to me that that money, that amount that you are claiming was actually spent on the movie. Because anybody can walk anywhere and change money. And I snap the picture that I'm changing money. And I can use the money for anything.
Before I changed the money, so the evidence I have there, I make a video, which I was telling my director, please, this is my last savings that I have in my life.
You know, if
so
you had even taken your picture or video of where you were handing over that money to your director.
No, there is nothing like that.
If you are taking that, I'll know the director collected that for 20,000 naira from you. I'm just telling you. You could hand it over to him and now say, Director, Mr. So, this 420,000 naira that I'm giving to you is meant for this project. This is the total sum that you charge me. Let me just answer yes. That's all. Let me have your response to everything she has said.
Everything she said is true. I met her through a friend of mine, Alex. So he introduced me to her. She needed a job done.
You're talking to yourself. You're not talking to me.
She introduced me to my friend Alex. Introduced me to her that she needed a job done. So I met with her. We discussed. I told my price was 85,000, but she could pay only 65. And later, after some bantering, we agreed.
You agreed, and were you paid?
Yes, ma.
You collected 65,000.
Yes, ma.
Okay.
She said she wanted to give me the whole money complete because she didn't want to have the money. She might spend it.
Okay.
So, but unfortunately, after some day, I think a week after, I was still with a flash drive with the job on it, with my laptop.
Under what circumstance did you collect the flash drive? You had the movie.
Yes.
Which day did you have the movie?
February.
You concluded when? Which date in February?
Ending of February, like, I forgot, like 20.
How many days after did you hand over the flash to him?
Like 2 days after the movie.
You handed it over to him 2 days after?
Yes.
Okay, I'm listening to you.
So, early March, I was in a bus. So the conductors, they were telling me that I was still in front and my school bag was big and I would be assaulting the driver when he wants to change the gear. I should take it to the back, I was telling them that there's something important in the bag. They said I should take it to the bag, that is safe there. So they took the bag from me and kept it in the bag. So, but by the time I alighted, I didn't see the bag again. So before I could turn, they just shouting. Before you know it, they drove off. So when they drove off, there wasn't what I could do. I tried reporting to the police. They said,
you tried or you reported?
I didn't actually report. I met with a policeman on the road. So I was telling him.
On the road?
Yes, ma. So I was telling him what happened. How should I go about it? He said, how much do I have? That they will need plenty money to be able to trace the bus. Do I know the conductor? Can I stay? I said no. I don't know the conductor. I can't even remember the guy's face. They said it'll be difficult to. So I left it. So I called her and I told her that I lost her job. I had other jobs on that laptop too. Other people that gave me jobs before her. So I lost a lot of jobs that I had on that laptop too. But then I pleaded with her that she should give me time. I had to pay off those other people first because they gave me their jobs first. And most of them, they forgave me. And most of them, it was still my first contract to them because I just started.
That's not an issue before me. So you can save me that story. Just address our issue. I'm not interested in what happened between you and other customers that you had.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I asked her to patient with me. Then around April, I wanted to give her 15,000 naira. I told her I will pay you by installment. That I can't pay you fully. I can't pay you once.
Did she agree to installment payments?
No, ma. I called her. She came to me about the money issue again. So I said, okay, I have 15,000 naira. Let me give 15,000 naira. She said, no, that
50?
15, ma.
15.
Yes, sir.
That's 15,000 naira.
15,000 naira.
That's what I'm saying, yeah? It's okay.
So I told her I'll be paying her by installment, that I don't have the full money to pay her. And that I also asked her to be reasonable so that I will pay like...
To be reasonable?
To be considerate, ma. So I will pay...
So she's inconsiderate, she's unreasonable. Is that what you're saying for demanding? Go ahead.
I told her I would pay her half of the money. She should bear with me so that we will share the loss.
Share the loss. How can she share the loss with you? You already collected your fee for that service.
It wasn't my right to ask her to do that, Your Honor. I just wanted her to be, a little bit merciful.
Merciful, and that's the approach. You believe that's the proper approach? Esther, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I want to know the process of the movie production. You had a cameraman
Yes.
that used a digital camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you find out from him whether it was downloaded on a laptop? He's supposed to have a copy. It must have been downloaded somewhere before you now export another copy that you want to give out for editing. That's the standard procedure. Mr. Lost Sharer, what plan do you have to offset the money?
Actually, I started the editing job after my service. I finished service 20
You know the
years.
impression you gave the court earlier on? That you do have different jobs being given to you. Because you mentioned earlier on that in the laptop and the bag that was stolen, there are other people's job there.
Editing job too.
Yeah,
That I had to pay
that's
them,
what you do.
That I have to pay them back.
I'm not concerned about whether you have to pay back or not. All I know is that people do give similar job to you from what you have said in this courtroom.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are making money.
Right now, ma'am, I'm not doing the editing job again.
You are not doing editing job again. Why?
Most of the people's job I lost, they were in my circle of
Okay, so what are you doing for a living right now?
Right now, I'm seeking for a job.
You're seeking for a job.
Yes, ma'am.
So the money you gave her and the money you gave some other people, where did you get the money from?
When I lost their job, I still had some money. So I still had some money with me when I lost their jobs. So the ones that gave me their jobs first, I had to pay them. They didn't demand for the full money. So I gave them half, some quarter. They just, because most of them, they knew me. So that was it.
Every debtor that comes to court will tell you, I don't have money. You know that?
Yes, ma'am.
It's the court that will enforce payment because she's seeking redress. You have to work out a way to pay. You expect her to just take it like that?
No, ma'am.
I don't have money, I'm not working. You can't have your money back. If that's no, then what is yes?
I believe that very soon I'll be able to get a job and then I can start paying her off little by
Let me
little.
tell you, when your bag got missing, because even before the court now, it's very easy for me to assume that you are lying here. Because the appropriate step that you ought to have taken is to go to the police station, make a report, get police report, keep it in your bag. If that bag, listen to me, I'm talking to you.
Yes, ma'am.
That your bag or the laptop that got missing, if they use it for crime and your data is still on that laptop, who do you think the policemen will pick up?
Hey, ma'am.
As long as they don't have any report from you that your bag is missing or the laptop is missing, that means it's still in your possession. I'm sure you can see the foolishness and the stupidity in your act. That aside, then your attitude towards repayments is appalling. When you started mentioning she's been unreasonable, she's been inconsiderate from a young man like you. Esther, I don't have any proof before the court as to the amount you are claiming. Secondly, in your claim, you are claiming the sum of 450,000 naira.
Yeah, 58.
Is that correct?
58.
In your own statement as well, you stated that I'll read it out to you. She said what I was going to give her back totaled 450,000 naira. So it's the same figure. But in the open court, you mentioned 420,000 naira.
Aside the one I gave him.
Are you saying the total figure expended on the whole project, including the money you paid him, is 450,000 naira?
Everything that I calculate, because I forgot some. So
You
my
see
calculation
you see why
was,
I said you need to itemize
the
in
one
order
that
for
I
you
can
to have an
remember.
accurate figure. Judgment in favor of the plaintiff in the sum of 65,000 naira, being the money she paid Mr. Rocky for engaging his services. I cannot grant any claim because there is no proof before this court as to the amount actually expended by Esther. Judgment for the plaintiff.
Hello lovelies, I believe you enjoyed this video and you must have learned one or two from this Sagalicious case. Please don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe bell so that you get notified on the next Sagalicious case. See you on my next video.